Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I have this advice to fold their shirts in seconds. Since we do not always have the time to be accommodating all our clothes, and any tip that helps us to do it in the shortest time possible is already very good. Apart so that they see that you can and that it is really not so difficult, and that it will help them accommodate their shirts quickly and orderly so that they have their drawers and closets very well fixed. Let's see how it is done. We take the shirt and stretch it up. Divide this into two imaginary lines. One that goes from the shoulder to the bottom, and another that crosses it a little below where the sleeves are. We take the part where the two lines are crossed and grab the part of the shoulder, and we carry it down, taking the bottom of the shirt and pull it towards us as shown in the video. We extend it and stretch on the surface and bend so that it is well accommodated as shown below, and as they see is perfectly fixed and only in seconds. Here I repeat the process to see that it can be done with the neck too. We divide the imaginary lines and take the part in the middle and the part of the shoulder. We carry it down and take the end below, extend and stretch on the bed, and finally bend, and it is ready to put it in our drawers or closets in an orderly way. As they could see in a few steps, we can fold our shirts and t-shirts in seconds, and since they will practice without taking into account the imaginary lines, and their closets or drawers will be ordered in just a few minutes, saving them a lot. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very much utility. Thanks for seeing, and hopefully this advice has served you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.